In electrical engineering, specifically when creating blueprints, it's important to consider multi-wire branch circuits and their impact on circuit numbering. Some electrical designers do account for this during circuit designation. This involves mindful assignment of circuit numbers to ensure balanced loading across the phases in a three-phase power system. One approach is to sequentially number circuits within each phase. For instance, circuits connected to the A phase could be labeled 1, 2, 3, and so forth. Then the B phase circuits could continue with 4, 5, 6, and so on, followed by the C phase circuits. This structured numbering can aid in visualizing and managing the load distribution across the phases. Another method involves using a color coding scheme to visually identify circuits belonging to different phases. The A phase circuits could be associated with a color like red, the B phase circuits with blue, and the C phase circuits with yellow. This color coding helps electricians and technicians easily identify and connect circuits to the correct phase, ensuring proper system operation and safety. Considering these aspects during the blueprint stage helps ensure the electrical system operates efficiently, safely, and with a balanced load across all three phases. Proper circuit numbering and color coding minimize the risk of overloading individual phases, which can lead to voltage imbalances, equipment malfunction, or even electrical hazards. Ultimately, these considerations contribute to a more reliable and safer electrical installation.